How to record screen on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to record screen on Mac. So first of all you have to do is just simply open your MacBook, and after that just simply go to the launchpad section from the apps section over here. And generally I use QuickTime players for recording my audios and videos in MacBook, even for recording screen especially. So just simply click on QuickTime player. As you can see that the audio recording has been already open over here, so you can place it down. Now just simply go to the QuickTime player from the list over here in the application at the bottom, and right click on it, and you will be able to see the option called start new recording. Just simply click on it, and as soon as you click on start new recording, you will be able to see the amount of screen that you would want to capture. So you can hover around this particular screen bar in order to select the type of or kind of screen that you would want to capture while recording the screen. So I would like to keep it over here, and once you have selected the margin for the screen recording, just simply hit the icon called record, and as soon as you click on it, your screen recording will be started. So now in order to stop this particular recording, you just have to simply click on this particular icon over here, and now your recording has been completed. So you can go ahead and rename this particular recording from here. You can also add tags in there, and you can also select where you want to save this particular file. So yeah, this is how simple it is to record a screen on Mac. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.